It's a garden style cooking. It's gonna be beautiful. Very steamy. Summer is coming in Australia, so we're gonna have beautiful days. So nearly each day, I'm gonna have new videos for you. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel and turn all notifications on. Thank you. Hi followers, welcome to Cook's Travel. I'm gonna make you today very special dish. It's a pasta, it's a vegan pasta, and moreover, there is something special here. This is vegan sausages. It's getting very popular now. I'm pretty sure in next 10 years we are gonna see those ones in shops more often. I recommend you to try this. It's very animal friendly, so there is no meat inside, 100%. Full of nutrition, especially with vitamin B12 and iron as a mineral. In front of you now, I'm gonna open the bag, so we'll see inside. And we're gonna make it for 4 people. So in the pot, on fire, it's gonna shrink. There's not much fat in that, so second one is here. Okay, see, look at the closer. Can you work it out if it is vegetarian or full of meat? It is 100% no meat, so it's vegan. Vegan friendly meal I'm making today. Each bag has got 6 of them. We have 4 people, so it's gonna be enough for us. See? Put this one here. This is the sausages we are gonna add for pasta today. Now I'm gonna prepare this one with vegetables. I'll add some eggplants in the side. Just half of it is gonna be enough for us. Cut in another half. So try to make it smaller pieces. A little bit onion, dice in small pieces. Garlics, onions. You don't have to crush the garlics. We're gonna keep it in large pieces. We had a very strong sunny day today, so we had to wait for our recording until this time. Olive oil, onion, garlic, and other vegetables is gonna go all together. Olive oil, garlic, onion. It's a garden style cooking. It's gonna be beautiful. Red capsicums. In very close future, I'm planning to make some videos about the ingredients. Eggplants. Great, a little bit of zucchinis. It's gonna give great taste. It's gonna be very rich. Time to arrange sausages. So what I'll do, I'll cut the sausages in smaller pieces. These sausages must be kept in fridge. Don't assume because they are vegetarian or vegan, you can keep outside. And you need to consume it in 2 days as soon as you open the package. They're super healthy, and you can even find organic ones nowadays in some shops. Now I will transfer sausages into the pot, one by one. We'll give a little bit stir. all vegetables and vegan sausages. I got some bok choy we're gonna add now. Look at this, very fresh, so green, beautiful bok choys. Just got this root. Sometimes people find it very, very hard. Bok choys in. Keep stirring. Avoid burning the ingredient inside of it because the fire is strong, you know. Very fresh, very healthy, very antitoxin broccoli goes in. So before that, I'm gonna cut them in maybe smaller pieces. Look at this, beautiful fresh broccolis. Just a paste, tomato paste. And fresh chili paste. It's gonna be the most delicious pasta. Mushrooms, about like a medium size, 4 mushrooms. It's gonna go into pot. Nuts and little corns. And crushed tomatoes. Crushed tomatoes is gonna give a little bit liquid, what we need. So steamy, beautiful. Now I'm gonna add the herbs, oregano, sweet black pepper, rosemary, a little bit, and coriander seeds ground. Let it cook a little bit more. Now we are looking at it. So beautiful, colorful. I'll add red wine for taste. So hot, so I have to be careful. Balance the liquid well level. Cut with parsley. Chop it up and send into the pot. Beautiful. Now we come to the point we are going to add the pasta. It's the last ingredient. I already boiled the pasta, so it's ready to go. It's al dente point, so it's half cooked, half raw. Look at this, beautiful. Now pasta goes into that. We'll start adding this in. Now we need to stir it pretty much about 2 minutes, so all ingredients combines together. I haven't added the salt and add a little bit more water. It's the pasta water. A little bit more stir. Salt is going to go in. all we do now, just wait another 10 minutes and then it's gonna be ready. I believe it's ready now, so we are gonna test it. That's the moment. Burak is gonna love it. Behind the camera he's smiling now, so see how it goes. This is a vegan, 100%. Vegan sausages full of ingredients inside. Whoa. I believe that's enough. I'm not putting cheese because I'm trying to make it a vegan, so there's no cheese. All up to you. You can put some spring onion for garnish. I'll add some of them. That's my very special vegan sausages pasta with full of nutrition and minerals. We'll have a quick test. Sausage is like a meat. So soft, juicy, tasty, spicy. It's just great. I recommend you to make this food for any vegan or vegetarian friends, or you can even have it for just like a naturally, it's beautiful. I loved it. Full of nutrition. See you in next video. Please subscribe my channel and put comment under the video. Thank you.